Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Apollo Group TV on your Android phone. So make sure to follow the step-by-step process and you will be able to do it. So the first thing is just go to the Play Store of your mobile phone, and once you open the Play Store on your Android phone, just search the application like the name of application Apollo Group TV. And once you search this down, you will be seeing the list of all the applications available with the similar name. So as you can see, I have found the application Apollo Group TV. And if let's say that you're not able to find the application on your Android phone, so what you can do is just go and install any kind of VPN, which is a paid VPN, so you can get better access to the location changing. So you can use like NordVPN or IPVanish, or as you can see like this, the IPVanish VPN. This is a good VPN, and there are like other VPNs as well. So make sure to log in with your VPN, connect it, and once you connect it, just close the App Store. And once you close the App Store, just restart the like this application App Store and or Play Store onto your phone, and again search the name of the application, and make sure to connect to the USA region, as I have a USA region in on my mobile phone. And if you have a USA region, you will be already find the application, and if you do not have a USA region, you might be finding some kind of issues. So connect to USA VPN and again search the application, and you will be able to download and install it.